Right now, the economy sentiment score is at plus 0.25, with momentum spiking at plus 0.50. This marks a significant shift compared to our historical baseline, where sentiment typically hovers closer to zero. The unusual strength in momentum suggests a growing optimism that you won't want to ignore. Our API returns detailed insights, enabling you to dive deep into the nuances of sentiment data. Imagine integrating this into your trading algorithms, allowing you to capitalize on rapid shifts in economic sentiment before your competition does. To explore how you can leverage this data to make informed decisions, visit pulsebit.lo.jenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.